Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.